In this lesson, we will make the API calls to the graph APIs using the Postman. So first, we have to create an app registration. I already have the app registration, so which is app for Postman. And from this, I have three fields: the tenant ID, which is this tenant ID, the client ID, rather I have mixed it all up. Tenant ID is this one. Okay, client ID is 830. Okay, 7. Okay, tenant ID is D98ED0. Okay, this one, tenant ID. Client secret. This you get only for the first time when you create the client secret. Okay, you don't get it the next time. So these are the details we have, and then we have the API permission, and then under API permission, let me remove this one. We will add Microsoft Graph. So I will, under API permission, I will add a permission, Microsoft Graph, application permission, and then we will have under user and the mail. We will give him all the rights of mail, and then user, where is user, will give him all the access here. Add permission, grant admin consent. So we have the app registration, we've got all the information. Let's check the client IDs, tenant ID. Okay, this is good. Then we go to this URL, www.postman.com, Microsoft Graph Workspace Overview, this URL. I will put this URL in the comment section. Microsoft Graph, we click this, create a fork. Intihab demo fork, because I may have already created it, fork collection. Now, under application, under users, get users, you run it. Unauthorized. So we create a environment, new environment graph API, and then we change this to environment graph API. Now under this, get users, we will application authorization. Here we have to ensure that these fields are there. This might be missing. View console, because these are no longer, these don't exist. We will clear it, lower this. Now environment, we come here, environment variables. So we'll create these three. Global or edit environment variables. Add this. Client ID is this. Tenant ID. And then we have client secret. Remember, you get the client secret only one time when you create this new registration. So this is done. Now what are we going to do? Create variable. Now get access token. Go to app. Oh, we can hit save intermittently, so we have everything. Authorization, get new access token. Proceed, use token, and before that we will go ahead and copy this token. Copy, use token. This is here. You can copy from here also. Control A, Control C. Now get users. We run it. Will it run? So we can type bearer token and paste this here and send the request. Okay, even if we say inherit from the parent, it will work because it is authenticated. Ta-da! If we use no authentication, what happens? Okay, now bearer token, send. This is the token, so we got it working.